Hello Libra, hope you're doing well. Thank you for visiting my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. In today's reading, let's take a look at your romantic love life for this week of May 2024. Tingnan natin ang romantic intention ng inyong new person or person that you're currently dealing with or a returning person sa buhay mo. Let's see what's happening or what will happen this week. Okay? Pwede niyong panoorin ang inyong moon, rising, and Venus placements. Thank you so much, Libra. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell. Let's see how your love life unfolds and what you can expect this week. Libra. Libra. I'm always longing for you. Okay. Even though sometimes you feel unappreciated, but your person is still longing for you. Naiisip ka, lagi kang nasa isip, they care for you kahit wala ka. Or minsan nandyan ka, hindi nila pinapakita na appreciated ka. Okay, hindi nila na-express. Maybe they are not like that. Okay, but they really care for you. Ego, I let my pride get in the way of our connection. Okay? Maybe your partner has ego problem, okay? Or trust issues. Pag nag-aaway kayo, parang ikaw lagi nagpapakumbaba. Okay? Otherwise, magwawala. This person is masakit magsalita. Libra, okay? Ma-pride. You're dealing with a person na ma-pride, okay? Maybe this person has achievements or achiever, okay? Maganda yung katayuan sa buhay, maganda yung work. They are very confident, okay? Self-sufficient, Libra. Confusion. I feel unclear about where we stand, okay? So, you have this confusion. Minsan hindi mo alam kung anong nangyayari sa kanya or anong nangyayari sa relationship, okay? Hindi mo alam kung saan kayo patutungo. You want commitment with them. You want to get married with this person. But it seems parang hindi consistent yung person mo, okay? Both of you want commitment, okay? It's like kayo na talaga ang magkakatuluyan. Maybe you're planning to get married with this person, Libra. Okay? So, mahal na mahal mo yung taong ito. And at the same time, siya din. Siguro, hindi lang siya nagko-communicate or hindi niya lang na-express verbally. Tingnan natin kung ano yung sasabihin ng tarot. Ano yung messages from tarot? Please, for Libra. Romantic love. Messages for Libra, please. Libra. Okay. You feel na yung person mo is not satisfied with you or merong sama ng loob. He or she is very disappointed of you. That's how you feel about them, okay? Okay. For some of you, you feel na may past issues yung person ninyo and up to now, hindi pa rin siya nakaget over. He or she feels disappointed sa nangyayari sa life niya, sa love relationship niya, okay? Trust issues. Okay. But Libra, you want something good para sa kanya, okay? Marami kang plans sa kanya. Gusto mo i-explore yung life with her or him. You have so much ideas in your mind. It's just that hindi mo lang siguro na-express verbally and hindi to nararamdaman ng partner ninyo. You are very hopeful of your relationship, okay? Yeah. Pinapakita mo sa kanya na may mga plans ka for both of you or sa future ninyong family, okay? Okay. You are happy every time you are with him or her. You want to travel with them, okay? May mga pangarap ka pero may mga hindrances, okay? Para bang may nagbablock na para hindi matuloy yun. May mga kinoconsider kang ibang things, okay? Or maybe this is your partner. Gusto niya makipag-commit sa'yo or gusto mong pakasal pero may past issues siya, trust issues, okay? Parang may nagbablock. And you are also confused about your partner, Libra. Okay. Mahal ka ng person mo, Libra, okay? Nagmamatch kayo, yung chemistry nyo. Grabe yung chemistry between you two, the fire, okay? Nagkakaintindihan kayo. Masaya kayo pag magkakasama. Okay? Compatible kayo. Sexually wise, yes, very undeniable, kumbaga undeniable yung chemistry ninyong dalawa, okay? Gusto ng partner ninyo na maintindihan mo siya, mag-gets nyo siya kung anong gusto niya sa inyong dalawa or kung anong gusto niya sa'yo, mangyari sa'yo. Libra? Okay. Yes, gusto niya na maintindihan mo siya, okay? Gusto niya na parang pareho kayo ng mindset, pareho kayo ng prinsipyo, you have the same goals, but it seems that you don't get it. Okay? He or she wants na maintindihan mo siya. Okay? Gusto niya na maging expressive ka sa pagmamahal mo sa kanya, Libra. Hindi sa kung saan mo siya dinadala or yung minsan yung mababaw lang na expression of love. But for them, they want something deeper, okay? Something deep na relationship. They want engagement. They want to get married already. Okay? And for you, wala ka pang sa stage. Maybe you feel that meron ka pang kailangang asikasuhin or harapin na issues. Maybe for some of you, you don't have enough or that much or enough na prepared for the future. Something like that. Okay? You're dreaming to have your own house, your own car. You want something more. Okay? May mga gusto ka pa sa buhay na gustong maabot. Okay? Your partner is very supportive of you. Okay? Mature. He or she is a decision maker. He can make decision on his or her own, on her own. Yeah. So, yung sexual chemistry is undeniable, okay? Kailangan nyo lang siguro i-revive yung init ng inyong pagmamahal, okay? Siguro, may mga times na may coldness, kulang ng intimacy. Libra. You want something exciting. They want also something exciting, okay, from you. Fire. Okay. But the relationship can go further, okay? Merong potential. It's just that merong blockage lang na parang at this time parang hindi pa pwede. Okay? Maybe maybe limited lang ang capability mo or yung resources mo para maibigay kung ano ang gusto ng inyong partner or ng inyong person. But there are a lot of things that you are dreaming about for the two of you. Okay? And you know that your person is a little bit unhappy or disappointed, okay? Merong sadness sa kanya na hindi mo din maintindihan kung ano yun. Maybe Libra, kailangan mo rin tanungin yung person mo kung meron ba siyang gustong sabihin na hindi niya masabi, hindi niya ma-express verbally. Kailangan mong maintindihan kung anong gusto niya. Okay? Ilatag mo sa kanya kung ano yung plano mo for the both of you sa relationship nyo. Libra. And he or she wants you to be goal-oriented, okay? Independent as well. Gusto niya na maging mature ka, okay? Na magkaroon ka na maging objective ka sa life mo, sa mga decisions mo, sa goals mo, okay? Ambitious. Okay. He or she wants something deep sa relationship mo, hindi sa relationship nyo, hindi lang yung parang mababaw lang. Okay? Gusto niya na siguro na maybe he or she wants both of you to get married, okay? To be engaged and maging seryoso na ang relasyon ninyong dalawa. Next level na, kumbaga. Okay. Gusto maging victorious, okay? Bottom of the deck. Maybe your person is an achiever, okay? Victorious, successful sa kanyang ginagawa. And a lot of people is celebrating her, okay? Maybe your person is busy or you are also busy and you are doing a lot of things. Okay? Someone is celebrating his or her victory sa work niya. Very creative yung person ninyo. Maintindihin. Okay. So, let's see kung ano pa yung gustong sabihin sa inyo ng partner ninyo. Hidden messages. You have to have an open ear. Libra, okay? Maging sensitive sa needs ng inyong partner. Okay? Intindihin in a deeper level. Kausapin nyo siya ng maayos. Libra. And then, intindihin mo rin ang kanyang mga past issues or trust issues. Okay? Let's see, ano pa yung mga messages or hidden messages from your person. Anong gusto sabihin sa'yo ng person mo? Message from your partner, please. Hidden messages for Libra. I am grateful for the spiritual lesson. Okay? I lost myself for a little while. Okay? Because of the past experiences, because of the hurt and pains. Ito yung gustong sabihin sa inyo ng partner ninyo. Okay? I feel you even though we are apart, okay? So, malakas ang pakiramdam ng inyong partner. Maybe he or she is very intuitive, okay? Malakas ang inyong connection, ang pagmamahal nyo sa isa't isa kahit malayo kayo, okay? Not necessarily that you are separated, okay? But whatever this connection that you have, it is helping them, okay? Marami siyang natutunan sa inyo, Libra. I knew exactly what I was doing. I left you before you could leave me. So, marunong yung person yun, no? Okay? Alam niya kung ano yung ginagawa niya, okay? Maybe he or she needs a little more time or kailangan niya ng bakasyon or pahinga para makapag-isip-isip about sa situation nyo. Paano ka i-deal? Okay? Maybe this person is also afraid of leaving you, or kung wala, or afraid siyang iwanan mo siya, okay? I wish things could be different. Okay. So, ito yung gustong sabihin sa inyo ng inyong partner, Libra. Gusto niya na maging maayos kayong dalawa. Okay? Malalim siyang tao. Intuitive. Okay? I left you before you could leave me. So, parang inuunahan ka na niya. Okay? If he or she feels something is wrong, naiintindihan niya, nakukuha niya kaagad, and maybe he or she doesn't want confrontation or aalis na lang siya. Okay? But you know, mahal ka ng partner ninyo. Very supportive siya, Libra. Okay? Nag-match ang inyong chemistry. Very strong. It's just that kailan mo lang intindihin yung person ninyo, or it's the other way around. Kailangan ka din maintindihan ng inyong partner kung ano yung nasa isip nyo or kung ano yung nararamdaman ninyo. Okay? So, Yun lang, Libra. Ito yung mga messages for you. Thank you so much. See you on the next video. Bye!